Hello, what's up guys? In this video I will explain you the difference between lead acid battery and the lithium ion battery. I will tell you the very advanced difference between these two types of battery. First I will explain the lead acid battery and next I will explain the lithium ion battery. Now let's begin with lead acid battery. Basically, the lead acid battery is made up of lead acid element, which is very cheap. That batteries is used in vehicles to light up the system and many other applications. These type of batteries are preferable where the size, space and weight doesn't matter because these batteries have much more weight as compared to lithium ion batteries. And next I will explain you the rating of the lead acid batteries. These batteries having nominal voltage is starting from 2 volt and it's end up at 24 volt. These batteries range starting from 2 volt and it end up to 24 volt. And the most commonly used batteries in market is 2 volt, 6 volt, 12 volt and 24 volt batteries. And if we talk about the density of lead acid battery, the power density of lead acid battery is very low. Its power density is 7 watt per kg. It's very low power density, and that's why we prefer lithium ion batteries because lithium ion batteries have much more power densities as compared to lead acid batteries. Here is a random picture of lead acid batteries of 12 volt and 5 ampere. And if we talk about the advantages of lead acid battery, it is very cheap in price, and we can easily recharge these type of batteries. And these type of batteries can give high power to the system. And if we talk about the disadvantages of the battery, this type of battery is very heavy battery because it's cover much more space and also have a much more weight as compared to lithium ion batteries. And it's definitely it also cover much more space, and its power density is very low as I explained earlier. And next I will explain the application of lead acid batteries. Basically these type of batteries is used in car, UPS and robotics and heavy machinery. These type of batteries have property to give a very high output to the system. And next I will explain the lithium ion batteries. First I explained the lead acid battery. Now I will explain the lithium ion battery. When I will end up this video, then you will be able to find a huge difference between the lithium ion battery and the lead acid batteries. Basically the lithium ion battery is made up of lithium metal, and the lithium ion battery is best rechargeable batteries of the present time. Uh, these type of batteries we can charge easily. These type of batteries we can recharge very easily. They are very small in size, and these type of batteries we can use in portable application where need high power to the system. As I explained earlier, These batteries are the best rechargeable batteries of the present time. If we talk about the specification of the lithium ion battery, the lithium ion battery have a nominal voltage is approximately 3.7 volt, and but the most commonly battery used in market is 3.6 volt and 7.2 volt, and various range of the lithium ion batteries are also available in market, but 3.6 volt and 7.2 volt is very common in market, and it has capacity range starting from 100 mAh to 1000 mAh. And next I will explain you the lithium ion C rating is very good. If we talk about C rating, what is C rating? Basically, the C rating is a discharging time of the lithium ion batteries. Lithium ion batteries have very good discharging time. Lithium ion batteries have very good discharging time. That's why the C rating of the lithium ion batteries is very good. If we talk about the power density of the lithium ion battery, its power density is 126 watt per kg. It's a huge power density. In a small weight we can store energy in a very small weight. It's 126 watt per kg we can store in lithium ion batteries. And next I will explain the advantages of lithium ion battery. It is very light in weight, and it have a very good C rating. As I explained earlier, power density is very high. We can store a huge amount of charge in a very small size of lithium ion batteries. And next I will explain the some disadvantages of the lithium ion battery. The first disadvantages of lithium ion battery is it is a bit expensive as compared to lead acid battery. If the terminal of lithium ion batteries are shorted, then it have a maximum chance to explode the battery. In lithium ion battery, that's why in lithium ion batteries we need a protection circuit for the lithium ion battery. We make a specially protection circuit for lithium ion batteries. We need the protection circuit because the battery is expensive, and we should essentially use the protection circuit. I also suggest you should use the protection circuit with the lithium ion battery. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel for future videos and for getting the latest update. Thank you.